Hi, welcome to Modern Building Technologies. We have grown to become one of the pioneers in providing building technology solutions in UAE. One of our main services is wall protection. Among our various solutions in that category are wall protection rails. Wall protection rails are an effective and efficient way of protecting the walls of corridors, waiting rooms, and lobbies that face the constant risk of damage. They provide the first line of defense in high-traffic areas against scratches, dents, and scrapes. MBT offers different wall protection rails, like handrail, are commonly used to provide stability or support, while ascending or descending stairways and escalators. When used properly, handrails can decrease the rate of falls, leading to safer environments. Wall-mounted handrails offer extra security to staircases. Crash rails and bumper rails are used as a protection against objects like carts and chairs. These rails go along the length of the wall, extended outwards. This way, there's a barrier between the wall and the other elements. Modern Building Technologies Technical Services offers various wall protection solutions throughout the UAE. Call us today and get a quote for your own personal or professional project. MBT. Building blocks of life.